Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar short-term retracement quickly buckles yesterday. After the failed challenge on the 79.15 resistance in early Asia, the market retreats rather heavily towards the support at 78.40. What initially started the move was when China published its report on industrial production and fixed asset investments. The number released showed that China's production rose by 6.4 in July, however below expectations of 7.1, with fixed assets investments and also retail sales also rose less than expected last month at 8.3, missing the 8.6 forecast, with retail sales coming in at 10.4, missing the forecast of 10.9. China is Australia's biggest export partner, as along with New Zealand's second biggest export partner. So with the weakness has given some concern that the outlook is slightly slowing down. This in terms should keep the pressure on the support for the Aussie. Later today we have the RBA announcement to its publish of its minutes of its latest monetary policy. This is at 11:30. Any advances should find a cap now at 78.75. With the US dollar slightly strengthening overnight, the market is actually backing away from this 118.40.80 resistance and looking towards a trend that comes in now at 117.05.15. A clear break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and bringing the target of 116.25. And beneath there, the next uptrend coming in at 115.10.20. Later today, we do have the release of the US retail sales and core retail sales, which could strengthen the US dollar and put pressure on this trend that's seen at 117.05. Well, it looks like the long-legged doji has turned out to be more of a bullish case, and as the top side challenge now looks towards the resistance of 110.50 and higher towards 111.55 and reassess from there. Any pullback should find support now on the day at 109.50 with beneath firm support at 108.65. The outlook for sterling still remains weak with the target at 128.50 still exposed. Into tonight we do have the UK CPI figures. The market will be keeping a very close watch to this to see how well the economy is actually doing. Any advances, as I mentioned here, from the resistance of 129.90 is firmer above at 130.45. Gold is taking some profit taking at the moment as it retreats from 1,296 and looks towards a base of 1,272. It is viewed the market should respond from a bullish traction from there and look back towards that topside challenge of 96. And to wrap with oil, well, the market plummeted last night, as you can see here, and now closer towards its objective of $46.70 with a cap now seen at $48.60. Reassess from that base if we could see some profit taking coming in from $46.70. However, overall, the market should remain bearish while the indicators continue to break down. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.